Greetings and salutations. Welcome to Paracord Bracelet. Today's project is one of my own designs. I call it X. Okay, for materials, it uses 4mm paracord and 2mm paracord. It's a 4-strand core consisting of two 14-inch or 35.56 centimeter pieces of paracord. Melt together to form a loop. For our, working base, or the main part of it, is 4mm blue paracord. This is 84 inches long or 213.36 centimeters. The X, or the stitching that is in it, I'm just using a rainbow multicolor 2mm paracord, and this is 42 inches long, or 40 inches, or 101.6 centimeters. Well, I'll tell you what, let's get started. Okay, let's make the core. Down to the slot. Down through the loop. And pull. Over the other end. I'll try my pull. Down. And over. And there you go. Okay, down, up, cross, over, under, and through the loop. That's nice. 5, down, up and toward the middle, cross, up and under. And now we're going to use some paracord magic, and here we go. And here we go. It's all there. Now, through the cow hitch, clear in the blue, pull across. Center it up. Okay, now clean everything up. Then from the bottom side, see where the 2 is there. Let me kind of temporarily zoom in here. In between these 2 right here, this is 2 different cow hitches. Pull that through. Center it, and they stay on the bottom for right now. Okay, this is pretty much a really simple weave. Oh, I forgot to say I am using the small bit for this, and I do have my other one standing by because I'll probably need it to the end. I mean, I did when I made my prototype. Alright. Like I said, very simple. One, come up from the bottom. Oh, excuse me. First, I gotta pull this up. Right side, up between 3 and 4. Left side, up in between 1 and 2. And then keep them up top, out of the way for right now. Now, take the right side, under, down to the loop. Again, under, down to the loop. If you know this, you know half of the pattern so far, half of the weave. Alright, now we get the left side up to the middle and down to the loop. Again, up, under, down, up. Now, we're going to start. Now you can do this several different ways. You can always leave with the left or leave left and right. You'll see as the pattern goes. Anyway, we're going across, down in between 1 and 2, then up in between 3 and 4. Kind of tighten it a little bit. Take the left side, going across, down through 3 and 4, up between 1 and 2. Kind of tighten it a little bit, pull it up forward out of the way. Alright, now rinse and repeat. Take the right side, underneath in the middle, up, down to the loop we make, up, tighten, cinch. You want to make this tight but not real tight. Okay, again, up to the middle, over, down to the loop. Left side, up to the middle, down to the loop. Then we do the second one, up to the middle, down to the loop. And this will all tighten up as you go. Okay, kind of take the strings and tighten a little bit. Now, this is your choice if you do it now. You can continue and always do on one side first, then the other. I'm not, because I wanted to have that. Well, you'll see as we go. Okay. Anyway, I'm not. You can choose to do the other side first. But down in between 3 and 4. Stay under, up between 1 and 2, and then pull back out of your way. Left side, down between 1 and 2, up between 3 and 4. Kind of tighten a little bit, then pull it up and out of the way. Now, again, right side, up through the middle, down through the loop, tighten, cinch. Again, up to the middle, over, down to the loop. Make it tight. Alright, left side, up through the middle, down through the loop. Again, up through the middle, down through the loop. And 2 times each side. Cinch up. Now, take your microcord, give it a little tug, and this time, left lead goes across to the right, down between 3 and 4, over. Oh, I've got it wrong one. Right side lead. So across. Down to the lip. Down between 1 and 2. And then up between 3 and 4. And the other one up between 1 and 2. Yeah, I made a slight mistake here, but oh wow.